Hey, what's up YouTube? My name is Base Pearson. I'm on Twitter at BasePearson21. And today I have another box break. It's another Topps 1993 Stadium Club Series 2 Hobby Box. Might as well open it. I just found out how many cards in this set. 750. 33's mostly update cards. So we'll see what we got in this box. There's two way get a nice Sandberg. Waiting for the Cubs game to come on. Oh, my knife fell on the floor here. 24 packs. If you want to pause and read that and all this, let me know. I might just pause it. I don't know why I said that either, but. Alright, so we got 2 stacks. Oh, this is kind of funny. Alright, let me get my pocket knife and we'll be ready to go here. Alright, empty box, here we go. Got one of these starting off. I usually just flip them over because it'd be easier. First card, Luis Gonzalez. Devin White. Marquise Grissom, Members Club. There we go. First good pack there. Got one of these. Brad Ausmus, Tigers manager. So Series 1, Bo Jackson, but I'm uploading the Series 1 hobby box of this 93 Stadium Club. It's uploading, so hopefully it stays like that for every other box that I have on here. Uploaded, or filmed, but I need to upload them. Mark Grace, nice one there. Time to get a binder for these cards after I'm done opening these. See how many cards I have. Maybe I might go for a checklist first. I don't think I'm going to have every card yet, but there's McGriff, Members Choice. I don't think I might have every card, but maybe for Series 2 I will. Who knows? Tony Gwynn. Nolan Ryan. Wait. Nolan Ryan. Oh yeah, nice. I remember seeing that card last night. My mom came in the room, so I shuffled the cards by the way too, so here we go. Sorry for the yelling too. That card flew. Nice McGuire there. I have one of these already. It's gonna go in a top loader. Hopefully get to meet him and get that card signed. That's a nice card. There's no guarantee I ever meet Mark McGuire, but he's a cool player. He works for the Padres, I believe, still. Wait, I think I heard somebody say something about getting a TTM of him. Is that true? And if you guys got one before, let me know. And tell me the address. Let's do it, because I can send something out to him. Lee Smith. Darryl Strawberry, first time seeing that one. You're gonna get duplicates, but sometimes you get new ones too, so. Just depends every box you get. Every box is different, you don't get autographs, but you can always get these TTMs or IP, like, in person, like, going, like, meeting them, if they're, like, at a, game, like, if they're, like, a coach or something, but, oh, sweet, we got another one of these cards. Sandberg and Thomas, Second City Sluggers. I love this card. I already have another one, so nice. These cards would be really nice to get signed. I think I missed one here. Yep. There we go. Jeff Bagwell. Jack Morris, Barry Larkin. Alright, that's the first stack already. Cubs play at 3 today. Playing the Cardinals game too. Well, that series. John Smoltz, I have that one already. Oh. Alright, fine, I missed one. Mike Piazza. Good one there. Oh, that McGuire I got, it's like probably one of my favorite cards now of his. Every card he got made. I just love that photo. Just look at this card, guys. It's beautiful. A nice photo. I thought it was pretty cool too, but nice card. Marquise Grissom. Oh, did I miss one there? Yep. Sorry about that. Fine, let's go. Ryan Sandberg again, nice. I'm gonna get one of those TTM soon. And events like Ruben Sierra. I think this guy's a TTM player too. Daryl Dalton, Eric Davis, Pedro Martinez, King Griffey Jr. Nice one there. Actually, I put this back in the pile here. Pete O'Brien, Mark Davis, Kurt Schilling, Fred McGriff, Santiago, Greg Olson, Ted Wood. That one fell. Some cards in here. There we go. Lou Salazar. Alright, third stack here. Dale Murphy, Sean Boski, Gary Goody, Mark McGuire, member's choice. Nice one there. Oh, down Mangley, but I don't know if I had the other Mark McGuire. Popeyes. Oh, forgot to flip over these. Butterfly shrimp. I'll be honest with you guys, I never had it before, but butterfly, like, shrimp, I might try it sometime. I bet it sounds good. When I think about shrimp, and they're on the water. Right now, I'm thinking about sharks because it's Shark Week. One, I can't wait for Sharknado to come on Sci-Fi. That's a funny movie. There's another week of this. I keep saying it wrong. Well, you guys know Shark Week. Well, I have a Senko Shark Week. Shark. You know what sharding is, right? Shark Week. Steve Sack. Sheldon Dunston. That's a nice card, actually. And it doesn't take me that long to open these boxes, guys. I thought it would take me more, but no, not bad. They're not really stuck together, kind of, but not bad. And this is not the first time I opened packs like these. I opened 92 before. So, when you open more, you kind of get used to open them, then figure out how to get these straight, not like backwards or like on the wrong side, like backwards. Just flip them over. You get used to it. Hoseki Seiko. Like the Theorist 1 video, it took me 25 minutes. And now the rest of these videos are taking me like somewhere around 20, 15 minutes, so not bad. Another Ryan Sandberg. Bernie Williams. Evan Rodriguez, good pack. I wish Chris Bryant had one of these cards in this design. Hopefully he gets one in the future. Alright, you should get one in every pack. This one's a Mark McGwire. I love that card. Randy Johnson. Mark Grace. Final stack, guys. Ivan Rodriguez Members Club, or Members Choice. Mark Lewis. Reggie Sanders, that's a nice photo. Sammy Sosa in the Cubs, I don't think I have that one yet. Nice. Will Clark, another TTM guy. Let me get this over and I'll be back with you guys here. Here we go. Takes me like a few seconds to do that. First time was like a minute. Or first two times was like a minute. Dave Henderson, nice one there. Deion Sanders. Another Ryan Sandberg. I think I might get all the... Oh, this is a different one. Alright. Members Choice. That one's pretty nice, too. Pretty sure they have the same back. Yeah. But not the same card. I like this photo a lot more, but this one's pretty cool, too. It shows... Oh, it shows this Cubby logo, Cubby patch. Dave Righetti. 3 more packs left. After that, I think I might get a checklist and start seeing how many cards I need for this set. There's a big chance I have a complete set of Series 2. Because I opened 2 boxes already. Juan Gonzalez. It's just been fun opening these. I don't know if I'll ever open one again or not. See how many cards I have. Ricky Henderson, Sandy Alomar. Let's see. Cecil Fielder, that's a nice card. Kevin Mass. If you put a bass head on it, like a fish, we call it Kevin Bass. Roasted. I just roast Kevin Mass. Robin Ventura. I think this guy's still a TTM signer, but he's not a manager for the White Sox anymore, so. Alright, final pack left. 22 minutes, alright. Because I think I went a little longer than the other ones, but I kind of talk more in this video, so it happens. Paul Esmacher. I like this card. Greg Olson. That's the catcher version. There's 2 Greg Olsons. One of them has 2 G's. One of them has 2 G's in it. There's a pitcher. There's John Smoltz right there. And I believe both of them are TTM signers. Al Martin. Orlando Marcin. I keep pulling those. Dale Murphy, Sean Boski. And this guy is the final card. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like this video, leave a comment, subscribe for more, and I'm out. And I'll see you guys next time. Go Cubs, go. Later, everybody.